In this training video, we will be going over taxes settings. As you can see, we're in the settings tab, and then we have taxes selected. Many contractors work in multiple states. It could be California, Florida, and also different cities as well. So what we have here is there's a way to add other cities and states. And so you would click on a plus sign here. And this is the type. It could be a state or it could be a city. In this case, it's a state. So we'll click on here. And let's say that we're in Arkansas. And then you want to enter the tax rate. We'll say 0.24. Click OK. And then you can see that Arkansas alphabetically just entered. You can also delete this if you're not needing this anymore, or edit it. And also another reason for this here is to be able to change the tax rate, because sometimes the rates will change. So this is how you use managing your taxes. And also, just so you see, it will reflect in your project location. So once you're working on your call report, and you would take Arkansas, now the program knows what the tax rate is automatically. To your success, and thank you for watching.